Hello. It's hard to look natural while carrying around a couple of seedlings and a pile of combs. We're just gonna put them in the sink there. All right. I'm gonna open up some packages so that you can get an idea of what your rewards will look like when you choose to pledge with Greenbeard Grooming. We will start with the naturally normal bamboo pocket combs. We plant one tree for every one of these sets of combs awarded. Comes in a 3-pack, and let's just get to it. This is what the packaging looks like. We go with minimal packaging, paper packaging. The last thing we wanted to do was ship a bunch of plastic, right? Wrap all these combs in plastic. So, there we go. The naturally normal bamboo pocket comb is an untreated bamboo comb made to break down easily in a composter or in a parking lot if it falls out of your pocket. It's a mid-toothed comb. Works well for all hair types. Fits well in your hand and in your pocket. You can see the logos on here are, some of them have more of a, they're laser engraved, but some have a more of an etched look to them, and sometimes they have more of a burnt look to them. It's cool. As you can see, you get a variety of wood types, right, out of bamboo. Let's open another one. Okay. Another naturally normal bamboo pocket comb. There we go. Let's give them a look. Cool. These are a bit darker. Bamboo, because it's a bit more porous, is a great conduit for beard oils and mustache wax. So this is my everyday comb for sure. Plus, as mentioned earlier, I lose a lot of combs, so it's good to have an inexpensive comb that'll break down easily. All right. One more naturally normal pocket comb. 3-pack. Okay. I'll give you a look. Cool. These have a bit more of a 3-dimensional logo on them. But the naturally normal pocket comb is just a great everyday comb. Like I said, the porousness of bamboo allows it to absorb oils and waxes and balms and really help spread them around. There we go. Okay. There we go. I don't know if you can see that, but the bamboo comb is just slightly more rounded at the tip than the sandalwood comb, and for that reason, if you wake up and you do a lot of precision work, like I do, not that I have to do a lot of precision work, but I wake up and I have to straighten this disaster out on a daily basis. So the sandalwood comb is much better with the part than the bamboo comb. Not that there's anything wrong with the bamboo comb either. Mess it up a little bit. Okay. And not a whole lot of difference there. But I can tell you the sandalwood comb does a better job on the part. Generally, it's a much denser comb, and it's got more precision to it. So, that's our unboxing. This is what you can expect when your combs show up in the mail, and we're excited to plant the trees that go along with these combs. Thank you for your pledges and support. We truly can't do this without you.